In this video tutorial, we will see how to print number rectangle triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, every line begins with space characters. Those space characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 8 to 0, 8, 6, 4, 2 and 0. Those space characters are appended with number character. Those number characters are gradually increasing line by line from 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this pattern, along with every number, a space character is appended. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of fifth iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition is false, and our iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we require a nested while loop with a variable j is equal to 0, nested while, starting from j minus 1 less than I, and at the end of nested while loop, we are going to increase j value by 1. So let's print the space character. Here we are going to combine two spaces, and in the first line there are 8 space characters, so 4 minus I is going to give us 8 space characters, then 6, then 4, then 2 and 0 space character. These space characters are aligned with number character in the same line. For that, we are going to use AND variable without any value. Let's print the number. The number begins from 5. 5 minus j is going to give us 5, then 5 4, then 5 4 3, then 5 4 3 2 and 5 4 3 2 1. These numbers are separated with a single space character. So after printing space character and number character in the same line, we want to begin from the next line. For that, we are going to use print method outside this nested while loop. So save the file and run the file in the terminal py triangle.py. We can see we are able to print the required rectangle number triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number rectangle triangle pattern.